So by now, most of you should know, my name is Yusef Scott, and I want to welcome you to the Sodarneasyforex University. Alright, so by now, most of you should know that my name is Yusef Scott. I'm the guy behind the Sodarneasyforex University, also known online as the Forex Go. In fact, go visit www.theforexgo.com. Alright, now look, in all my videos, I've told you guys over the years of how grateful and thankful I am to have you guys here watching, another one of my videos. If for some reason you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to this channel, do yourself a favor. Click on that link below because listen. We put out great content here. We're on social media, on Facebook and Instagram. We put out great content over there. We put out great content online. You want to make sure that you're connected to us, all right? And who knows, by the end of this video, you may find value. You may find something that's going to change your life, all right? Now look, you guys know that about a month ago, I gave you guys a great trade alert on the GBP and ZD. You guys know about that, about a month ago. And a lot of you, there has been a huge number of people who have decided to get in on this trade. I know a number of you have reached out to me, thanking me, telling me, hey, listen, I made this on the trade. You guys have sent us screenshots. A lot of you have decided to join. I've had a lot of new students who joined because of that trade alert. So, I want to let you guys know, things like this happens all the time in the market. But guess what? Everything that starts has an ending. All right? There are times in the market when the market goes one way and it's done going that direction, it goes back down or it goes back up. So we have to learn to find these areas in the market. Okay? If you guys missed my live video I put out over the weekend, it was my Forex Jewels video. You guys want to watch that, I'm telling you. There's a lot of people who've been watching it. You guys want to watch it. I've gotten a lot of people who would DM me, message me, responded to it, basically saying, listen, that was fire. Okay? You want to check that out. Now, I want to tell you guys this. We had training this morning. We had 2 sessions. We had our scalping session and we had our long-term session. It was during our scalping session that we had gone over, and I want you guys to remember this, we had gone over the 𝐓𝐷. And I was showing my students areas where they could have gotten in. And I broke down the low risk scalping strategy so well, where I'm sure that if they sat in on that training, they are in profit right now. Just as I said, they're in profit. All right? And I want to tell you guys something. I told my students, just like in our training session yesterday, our trade alert training yesterday, my students knew to watch that market. We were expecting that market to go down. And guess what? Today, the market is going down. What do you know? All right? I gave my students the trade alert. They're in on it. It's looking good. I came back and gave my students, broke down that market with my low risk scalping strategy. I broke down that market using a low risk scalping strategy for my corner of the market students, and they were like, whoa, this is powerful. So by now, since we've gotten out of training over, a couple hours ago, listen, if you got in on the 𝐓𝐷 going down, you should be in profit, all right? You should be in profit nicely. For those of you who are students of mine and you guys belong to the, you guys sat in on this trade alert training last evening, all I gotta say is I told you so. It's doing exactly what we were expecting. But remember what I tell you, follow SIT, all right? I'm telling you, follow SIT. You gotta remember that. So I just wanted to let you guys know of the powerful training we had this morning on the 𝐓𝐷 and the mention that I gave my students last evening about the 𝐓𝐷 going down, and look at that market today. So regardless of what trading or which training you sat in on, you had an opportunity to crush that market. You did. All right? Listen, if you're still struggling with entry, you need to learn the perfect entry strategy. If you're in your trade and you don't know when to get out, you're like, I don't know how I did this. I don't know how I'm in profit. I don't even know where to get out. You need to learn SIT. You need to learn when it's best to stay in that trade or when it's best to get out of that trade. You need to learn it. All right? As I always tell you guys, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay prayed up during these times. I'll talk to you guys real soon. Peace.